Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you about some of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. I've been getting them for years. It's a long time. Every month for some years I've been getting these beauty boxes, and they're just a really fun thing. Like, whoever invented that, like, thumbs up to you. I love you, because it's like getting a little present every month, and you get to open it and you get to try out new stuff, and it's just an awesome thing. So if you want to see about my beauty boxes that I get, the subscriptions, let's get into it. There's a fly again, flying around, just being loud. Just ignore it. Don't know what else to do. Okay, so I have been getting the IPSY bag for like 4+ years, something like that. So if you don't know, beauty subscription services, they'll send you a box or a bag of goodies every month, and there's so many different ones. They range in price. Some are $10 a month, some are like $50 a month. Just depends on what you want, what you need, your price range, all that good stuff. But the IPSY bag is $10 a month, and what's cool is they give you like a little makeup bag. I have one right here. I had one just sitting there. They give you like a little makeup bag with every month. So every month you get this cool little makeup bag. They do all different colors, all different designs. This one was like, I don't know, little stars and makeup items on a blue bag with gold. So that's a fun little thing. I love that. But they recently came out with the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus, which is more expensive. I believe it's $25 a month, but you get more full-size items. So the original GLAM bag or IPSY bag, you get, I think, a couple full-size items here and there, but they're a lot of like deluxe sample sizes. They're not like the annoying samples where you don't even want to use it, like the little foil packets. They do really well with the sizing of their stuff. But the GLAM Bag Plus, I think this is my second or third time getting it, and I love it because you get so much more for your money. I think the value of each box is like $250 or something like that. $150 to $250 depending on the month. But it's just such a cool way to try out different things for so cheap. Like, I don't understand how they do this. Like, they give you all these expensive products for a fraction of the price. Like, I don't understand it. I don't know how it works with the brands giving, with the subscription services brands and the getting, it's weird. I don't understand. If you don't have a beauty subscription, you should look into them. I also really love BoxyCharm. They're $21 a month. It's very similar to the GLAM Bag Plus that I'm going to show you. But they've always done 5 full-size items. That's not a word. Full-sized items. And I've really loved that one. If I had to pick, I'd only get the BoxyCharm. But now that IPSY is doing the GLAM Bag Plus, it's like, they're right here. They're tied. So I'm like, I'll just get both. I need them both. Comes in this beautiful pink box, says IPSY. You open it up and you see all these amazing things in there. I will show you all of my good stuff. So first thing is this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. It says, infused with Dead Sea water, this mineral-rich masks help brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. Does your sun-parched skin need a little extra TLC? Yes, it does. This rich formula also works overnight to hydrate skin. So I always love a good mask, a hydrating mask. I think everyone could use a hydrating mask, so that's awesome. And that is $33 retail. Next thing is this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. So I'm not really sure how this is different from I believe it's the CC cream that I use that I really like. I'm not sure how it's different, but I really like the IT Cosmetics CC cream. I think it's similar. This one does have SPF of 50 in it. And this is $39.50 retail, so it's a good thing to get in this box. It says, developed with dermatologists, this foundation helps you put your best face forward with the proprietary 3D Skin Flex technology. This lightweight formula covers imperfections while giving you an even, natural looking finish. Plus, it's infused with SPF of 50. So that's really cool. I was wanting to get another one of these because my other one is almost gone. So I'll have to see how I like this one compared to the other. Next thing is this nail polish. It's Smith & Colt nail lacquer in Pillow Pie. And what's really funny about this, I looked at it and I was like, that is the most beautiful bottle. Like, do you see that cap with the, it's almost like a dented or like hammered look. But then I realized that when you turn it, it's smooth. So it's supposed to be smooth and mine got damaged. But how cool would that be if that's how it was? Like, they should do that. They should dent their caps because it looks really cool. Anyways, love this color. I think I have one other polish from this brand from a beauty box, and it was really a good polish. Like, it was so thick. It was like a, not like thick, but like, I don't even know. I don't know how to describe polish, but it wasn't like too thin and runny. It was like the perfect consistency, and it lasted really long on my nails, and their colors are just beautiful. So who doesn't love a good pale pink polish? I think that's like the color to get. I hate when they give you like hot pink. Like, I don't wear hot pink. I don't wear red. And a lot of people don't wear certain colors. I love when they do colors like this because I feel like everybody loves it. So that's amazing that they give you that. And it's $18 retail. It says, this powder pink polish is the stuff of dreams. Super shiny, chip resistant, and 8 free. AKA no harmful chemicals. So that's really cool. It's cruelty, paraben, and phthalate free. The unique handle. Wait. The unique handle was designed to look rough, yet refined, kind of like real life. Is it supposed to be that way? Their picture does not look like that, so I need to find out. Is this how it's supposed to look? Because if it is, they should have done it on the whole thing. I'm confused. I am confused. Well, I'll figure it out. Anyways, next item is this Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. And these are retail for $26. It says, shake well for an all-over glow. Mix 2 to 3 drops in your moisturizer or foundation. For a highlighted effect, dab onto high areas, cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose bridge, and blend. So it's just a liquid highlighter. It's a very pretty gold color. Let's see. And I, like, look at that bottle. How pretty is that? That's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a, it's not glitter, and it's just like this really pretty, such a fine like shimmer almost, but like you can't really tell it's there. Just gives you this really nice glow if you blend it in more. So that's, I love that. Like, you can use that on your body, your face, wherever. The final thing I got in this box is the Balm Cosmetics. You can even see it. The Balm Cosmetics In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. So this is a palette, and it's got like all their best things. It looks like, so they have the Bahama Mama bronzer, the Down Boy blush, the Fat Boy, the Frat Boy blush. Can I talk today? Then we have In Stain, which is a staining powder blush. Never heard of that before. There's the Mary Luminizer, which is a really pretty highlight. This is Matte Reed, Firm, Alice Copper, and Matte Russo eyeshadows. So those are really pretty. I do have these two already, the bronzer and this blush. And then I also have this highlight. But it's kind of nice to have it all in one thing. So let me swatch these. Don't know how well you can see that, but there's those. Then there's those. So that's the highlight, and then those are all the shadows. So it's very pretty. Gives you a couple matte, a couple shimmers. So that's an awesome box. I really love doing subscription boxes because you get to try out so many different things that either you can't afford to buy separately or you probably wouldn't try on your own. So it's just a way to grow your beauty collection and find different brands and different products and just find what really works for you in a really affordable, fun way. Like who doesn't want to go to the mailbox and be like, oh, it's for me, and it's just all these fun little beauty stuff that someone else picked out for you. I just love it. I also wanted to open this box with you guys, the Kinder box. They sent this to me. I've never gotten this box before, so I thought it was so cool. It's $24 a month, and it says a 100% cruelty-free and vegan box. Each month, get $70 plus worth of skincare, makeup, and more. Full-size products. So that's really cool that they're cruelty and vegan, or cruelty vegan, that's not a thing. They're cruelty-free and vegan. So let's see what I got in this box. And like, it's so pretty. Just like, ooh. And they give you this nice like card with all this information about everything. So the first thing is this Northern Liberties face mask. So there's pink clay, rice powder, and organic hibiscus. And you just add some water and use that. It's a exfoliating plant-based formula. And this is $24.95 retail. Then I got this, what's the brand? Giovanni Frisbee Gone Hot Oil Hair Treatment. I always love doing little treatments like this, just to give your hair a little bit of nourishment when it's feeling a little dry. These are only $3.99. It says these amazing hot oil treatments from Giovanni are cruelty-free, paraben-free, color-safe, and give unique complexes that are packed with some of the most powerful and impressive fruit, plant, herb, spice, flower, and nut extracts and oils. Then I also got this, where is it? It's on a little separate thing. Canicel Depuff Eye Cream. I'm always on the hunt for a good eye cream. I feel like my under eyes are just always kind of crinkly, and I wish they were smoother and firmer. So I'm still looking for that miracle product that just gives me like baby skin under there. So if you know of something, let me know. But I'm always down to try new eye creams. So this one says it's made with a bioavailable vegan ingredients to be gentle and effective for all skin types. It's a botanical eye cream with Canicel hemp stem cells and organic hemp seed oil for plumper, smoother, brighter appearance. So yes, I want that. So there's the little tube, and that retails for $19.99. Then another thing in this box is, why does this phone, there's like a phone somewhere and it keeps going off. What is happening? Okay, this is like the Cuvée or Cuvée Beauty, I'm not really sure. Champagne spray. This is the travel size, but it retails for $15. So I think that's an expensive brand if the travel size is $15 for a little spray. But it's so cute. It says it's a hair care brand worth getting excited about. Their champagne spray is a multi-talented weightless texturizer that gives hair that second day lived in look in an instant, and a light flexible hold that lasts all day, enriched with the brand's exclusive cuvee complex of premium skincare grade ingredients and deliciously scented with their intoxicating fragrance featuring champagne and fig leaf notes. Well, that just sounds fancy. So I love that. And I like that it's little, so you could just throw it in your purse if you wanted to bring it somewhere with you. Maybe I'll try that in a second after I talk about this last thing. So this last thing is Phase Zero Metal Veil Eyeshadow. And this retails for $15. It says these liquid eyeshadows give a gorgeous full color eye look and can be used alone or as a base to really vamp up your eyeshadow game. With fully pigmented shades and subtle shimmer, these liquid eyeshadows are exactly what you need to create high impact looks. They apply with full coverage and dry quickly. It's important to blend these while the formula is still wet. Once they are set, they're not budging. So that's good. That's what you want in a cream kind of eyeshadow situation like this. You don't want it to not dry because then it's going to get all everywhere. So let's see what this looks like. That's really nice. Don't know if you can see that, but I'll be interested to play with that. And just for fun, let's spray some of this. Ooh, it smells really good. You're supposed to do this when it's wet. I didn't even... Okay, it says spray on damp hair, style or air dry. Spray on dry hair for extra definition. Okay. So, I mean, I'll have to play around with that and see. It's hard to tell just from doing it right this second, but it does smell really good. It's one of those, like, I love hair products when you just spray them and you almost want to spray it on like perfume just to get the smell. So I think this is one of those where I'll just, even if I don't notice it doing anything, I'll probably just spray it on my hair just because it smells good. But I definitely feel a little something. So I think it's definitely gives you that like more piecey look. So if you're wanting more like beach waves kind of thing, more texture, I think that's going to be a really great product for that. All right, guys, that is it for this video about these subscription boxes. Let me know down below if you guys get subscription boxes. Which one do you get? Is it one I've never heard of? Is it one I'm getting? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm now doing 2 or 3 videos a week. So if you want to be notified when I'm uploading, please subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.